What we've got in the jar is called Russian salad. Normally it's made with boiled potatoes and chopped after that, and then you add some carrots, some boiled eggs, some meat. At the moment I've put some chicken ham but sliced very tinily, some gherkins. If you have frozen peas, you can put a little bit of frozen peas. I didn't have, and mayonnaise, and it's absolutely delicious. What I've changed for this Russian salad is I put cauliflower. So what I did with the cauliflower was put it and steamed it and then mash it, and to be honest, you cannot say that there is no potatoes in it, but it is a very raw and very delicious Russian salad, and you can have it on almond waffles, and it's absolutely deliciousness. So my friend will have it, well, you can have it for anything, but probably tomorrow for breakfast, and this will not spike sugar levels. And I'm taking her a homemade yogurt. It's made of full fat organic milk, and it's absolutely amazing in hot days. You can just eat it, or you can stir it and put water in it and make a yum, but don't forget to shake it. It's delicious.